Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, and it is Peloton day, hopefully. But look at this weather. It's nice and gloomy and rainy today. I don't know how long it's supposed to rain, but this is what we're working with today. I haven't received a phone call yet from Peloton letting me know that they're on their way. Usually they said they'll call 30 minutes before they get here. So the hours of delivery today was from between 8 and 10. So we'll see what happens. Okay guys, so they called me 30 minutes ago, and it's about right. They call you within 30 minutes of them being here, but she's here. And right now what they're doing is they're actually putting the cleats on the shoes because I saw them open the boxes. The van does not fit through the parking garage, so they have to take the elevator up once they assemble it. I think that's how they're doing it. All right, you guys, so they are putting everything together down in the van. And I think they're just gonna bring it up. So as soon as they do that, I will try and vlog it for you guys, but I'm so excited. All right, you guys, I apologize for the screen, but there's the Peloton already put together. So I believe all they're gonna do is just come here, adjust my seat.
That works out perfect then. Wow.
And I got way too many feels, way too much emotion, I don't even know what's real. I just say fuck it, keep on going, I got all I need. You know what I mean, yeah, we pour up till we go up. Ooh, and I got way too many feels, not enough to forfeit all many fucking bands. So you know we finna blow it. We be faded when I'm sober when I'm faded. Who is good and that's the right kind of bust, there's no debating. I got way too many feels, way too much emotion, all the senses of my body. I said fuck it, keep on going. You can bring it, just I met you, yeah, you mix it, pour the potion. I don't know who you are, but I dive into your ocean. Yeah, you say you smoking grams, I'm smoking into the Grammys. Say you got the vibes, but all I see is candy. Till you came through so low-key, think you understand, I don't know me. Still I get along with your best friends, and better with your family. I got way too many feels, way too much emotion, I don't even know what's real. I just say fuck it, keep on going. I get deeper, yeah, I think I'm running. If I see you, yeah, I see you, yeah, I know I just keep going. Yeah, I got way too many feels, way too many feels. You came through so you came for, yeah, those things in the better with your family. Way too many feels, way too many feels. You came through so you came for, yeah, those things in the better with your family. Way too many feels, way too many feels.
All right, guys, so I'm clipped in. Let's get this started. I heard really good things about Cody Rigsby. Obviously, this is my first time on the Peloton, so
Before we jump into this ride, first and foremost, let's get familiar with the numbers in front of us. First things first is your resistance on the right. That is controlled by the knob on your bike. When you take it to the right, it's gonna get grittier and more challenging. That resistance number rises. Also make sure one, cadence goes 100 to 110. Shoulders back, chest lift, the rib face down. Oh yes, Peloton, come on. Jay and Dawson, don't stop Jen Wonder. Come on, Wizard of Oz. Red and white CTs, thank you teachers. 15 seconds left, Falcon 1021, you got this. Mary B 07.